Hello, and welcome to another session of So Here's What Happened. In this session, we're going to review what to do when a GL account will not delete. I'm trying to clean up my general ledger accounts, and I can't delete an account. I check that it doesn't have any transaction history, but it still won't delete. Let's go fix that. We'll begin by going to the general ledger, setup and maintenance, and our chart of accounts. We determine that we have an account that we'd like to delete. We use the delete key, and of course, it warns us that the current account is in use and does not delete. Next, we head over to the transaction view and we filter to our account. And of course, there is no GL history. What we can assume next is that this is probably being used somewhere in the system, probably with a setup and maintenance function, in which case we need to remove it. What we can do is set the account to inactive. Next, we can head to System Manager, System Audit, and Invalid GL Account List. Remember, we're searching for account 110002. Next, we can select all of our applications and do a search. Next, we'll want to filter to that one general ledger account. And of course, it is telling us that this is being used in accounts receivable with a distribution code. So next we can head to accounts receivable, setup and maintenance, and of course now we can go to our distribution codes and change this account, or if it's not being used with any customers, I can actually delete that distribution code. Now heading back to our chart of accounts, we can use the delete option and remove that account. So a great strategy is if you can't delete an account and there is no history, go ahead and run an invalid GL account search and change the account to inactive. Keep in mind, you can also change ID of a GL account. If there is history, maybe we want to move it into a different sequence. We can, of course, use System Manager and our change ID function to actually change a general ledger account. This, of course, will change history as well. And as always, we want to make sure all users are out of the company database before doing this process. Hopefully this is helpful, and now you know how to fix it.